Cardstock.
You should have seen the way that you bloom.
Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title down below, we're gonna open up my very own Cricut machine. I got it a couple weeks ago, so I'm really excited to dive right in. So let's go ahead and just get started. We got this big old box right over here. Let me just scoot back. This is the box, okay? I got not only the Cricut machine, but I also got the everything bundle. So it came in 2 boxes. I got this one, which is like everything else other than the machine, I'm assuming. The main event, our Cricut machine. This is the Explore Air 2. Yep, this is the Explore Air 2. I'm so excited. I keep saying that, so let's just open it up. Let's do this. How do I get this out? Okay, come on. Come on, we can do this. I'm gonna dump it out. Look how easy that was, guys. Ta-da! Ta-da! Here she is, guys. The Cricut Explore Air 2. It is in the mint color. Let's open the actual box up now. Open. Ooh. Oh! Like I said, this is my first one, so I'm assuming this is the mat, measuring mat. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we got that. The manual, so I'm gonna be reading that. I'm really excited to do a lot of projects because my wedding is coming up soon and there's some stuff that I gotta change. If you guys didn't watch my other videos for my wedding decor, a lot of the items has my original date on there and I have to change it, like the wedding mirror sign as well as some photos that I made. Yeah, we gotta change that up, so I'm really glad that I got this and we're gonna do a lot of projects with it. Here we go. Here is our machine. There it is. How pretty the mint looks. Gorgeous. And it also comes with a little pen. I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming you guys know what that is. What's really cool about the Cricut Explore Air 2 is the storage compartments for the convenient tool access, up to 2 times faster cutting and writing, double tool holder to shift instantly between cutting and writing, and it also comes with a smart set dial for easy material settings, and it's Bluetooth wireless technology for added convenience. That is freaking amazing. Moving this to the side, we're gonna open up our everything bundle. It should come with a lot of like samples of everything. You guys can be the first ones to see. Let me open the sides for you. One moment, one moment. Now you can be the first ones to see it before I do. Oh my god. Is it nice? Is it nice? Hello? Is it nice? Wow. So we got a portable trimmer. This is definitely needed. For my invitations this time around, I actually was cutting it with scissors and it wasn't that straight. And then I tried an X-Acto knife and it still wasn't straight. So then I just had my sister-in-law do it for us. This is gonna be really useful. Oh no. So Jimmy actually got me something similar to this. I'm hoping it's not the same exact thing, but it looks pretty similar. But this is what it comes with. It comes with a spatula, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. How do I know that? Because it says it in the back. See, there's another layer. Comes with a true control knife. Looks like this. Oh, there you go. I love these colors. They're like super aesthetically pleasing looking colors. Like, look at this. The marketing is like top notch. I love it. And it comes with a scoring stylus. Really cute still too. They like made these for like people like me. We just love the color and we just want to buy everything. Yeah, that's me. So this one comes with a chalkboard of vinyl. Cut it out into little signs and then you can draw on it using chalk. This one is a dry erase vinyl. Cool. I need to think of another word. Like, look! Oh my god! Oh, that's so cool! Look at this roll. It's a pretty good amount. I forgot to mention that all these items I purchased on my own, using my own money. This was not given to me or I'm not sponsored by it. I really wanted a Cricut machine and they had a great sale going on, so I definitely wanted to grab it. They have a thing called Black Friday in July that's going on right now. So if you guys are excited and want to get your own machine and you guys never got the chance, grab the bundles. They're really good deals right now. So I'll leave some links down below for you guys to grab your own. They have a transfer tape and it has premium vinyl, red and white color. And it looks like this. There's so many different things in this box. This one is adhesive foil. Oh, these are really pretty, super shiny. So I have purple, orangey red, this teal color, and another red. So nice. We have another one, but this is a foil iron-on. Oh, so this one you can iron on fabric. Super cute. I'm excited to use this one as well. A lot of DIY home decor. This one for like maybe like nice bags or pillows, like it says. Look at all the colors. I love this bundle. I was so excited when they have this everything bundle, especially for beginners. This is amazing. And this one's a strong bond everyday iron on. We can make shirts for like the wedding. I'm excited. Oh my god. I keep saying that, but I really am. Can you guys tell? This is a cardstock bulk paper. It's 24 sheets. These are thick. Or at least it feels thick altogether. That's a good amount. And they're not all just white. It looks like I have some like ivory, black, gray in there. So this is a gel pen set. Looks like this. Look at all the colors. And then we have some foil poster board. Oh, I guess like you can like make it into like little different crafts. Like this one, they made it into a little gift box. That's really cute the way that they did it. Never worked with this before. That's cool. And then we got some glitter cardstock. Pretty, man, people are really creative. Like, wow. They made like little balloon cards out of this. And then look at the back. They made some lemons and a bow. This is a variety pack. Light grip, matte, secure, lightweight to medium weight materials with soft release adhesive for easier cut removal. Figure it out. But I think that's all that's coming with this everything bundle. So again, if you guys want to grab yourself one, this is definitely the time. And if this bundle is still available, I'll leave the link down below for you guys to go click on and purchase it yourself. Thanks for doing the unboxing with me. I hope that you guys are excited for all the DIY projects that are coming your way. Like I said, the wedding is coming up soon. So a lot of DIYs regarding the whole wedding is coming out very soon because I really need to get on that. But I hope that you guys are enjoying this, and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I saw your face in the morning.